Hi everyone, it's Miss Judy. Yahoo! I got my Create with Heart card making kit subscription box today. I wanted to open it with you. I'm going to go through what the contents are and tell you a little bit about it, and then I'm going to get off this video and I'm going to get busy and make a couple of cards so that you can see what they are. The back page of our September and October catalog tells you about a subscription with Heart, which is the new card making subscription. You are going to get regular deliveries of the card kit, so you'll always have cards on hand, cards to make, cards to have fun with. The first kit that you get, let me find it. Well, anyway, excuse me. Card making kit. First, let's see if we can find that. Yeah, page 8. Nope, not page 8. Anyway, I'll tell you a little bit more on the next one. Here's what's inside. You get the directions for making the cards. In this kit, you're going to have a stamp set. You're going to get the small ink, black. This is enough to do your cards, plus a little bit of extra stuff. You're going to get 8 die-cut sheets, and you're going to get the sequins. You're going to get a shaker window foam. You're going to get the ribbon, gold and white skinny ribbon. You're going to get 24 card bases and 24 envelopes. And you're going to get, you're going to get 8 3x3 envelopes. So you're also going to be making some little smaller cards. And 16 are going to be the regular A2 size. You're also going to get a stamp set to use as you're creating the cards. It is C1805. It really doesn't tell me the name of this stamp set, but I'll try and find out. And then you get all your instructions on how to build all the different cards that are in here. Like I said, there's 12 different cards. You're making 2 of each, which would be 24 cards. So I'll be back in a little bit to show you some finished cards, and I will get that price for you. I do know that it's a very nice price. So thanks a bunch, guys. I love talking to all of you. I love talking to myself. Ta-ta.